All right. So today we are starting our soccer unit. So you are going to be practicing some of those skills throughout the day and then have the opportunity to just hopefully get outside if it's nice enough out and just enjoy the weather and be physically active, or choose something to do that you can do inside that gets your heart rate up. So if we're looking at our task sheet this week, um, you should be there. You should actually have clicked on the hyperlink for directions of the day, so you're watching this one. Then you are completing the DICE fitness warm up with me through the video that is linked or will be linked. You will then go to the soccer skills slideshow, and we are going to work on some ball control, getting some touches on a ball depending on what you have at home. So makeshift if you need to. There are some ideas on the slideshow of what you could use as an alternative to a ball. So you're working on your ball control and dribbling skills. Then for the remainder of the hour, choose something active to do that you enjoy. That physical fitness resource page is ideas and suggestions. You don't always have to choose from there. If you want to go on a bike ride, if you're able to, or go for a walk or a run, feel free to do that. Again, any physical activity is great for that time. And then most importantly, again, so that I know that you are doing it, your FIED for the day, you will complete this Google form. So make sure that you are seeing this Google form when you are finished. So have a great day. Enjoy your active time and good luck.